Goggles on. Woo! Ooh. That one was bigger, huh? Hey everybody, and welcome to Get High Voltage. Today, I'm going to show you what happens when you put stuff in the microwave that you're not supposed to put in the microwave. I'm going to start us out with a spoon, because I don't think that it's actually going to do anything, but we'll see. Here's my spoon. It's one that got bent a long time ago, so I'm using that guy. So, I'll put it there. So let's see if anything happens. Okay, it looks like pretty much nothing happened there. Ooh, the glass is getting real warm. I know microwaves don't really like having nothing in them to work on, but let's see. I wonder how hot the spoon is. Okay, yeah, the spoon is also kind of too hot to touch, but it was not making a plasma in there, and that was kind of my big question. So let's see what we're going to try next. How about a fork? Now, a fork, I think we might get some plasma out of, because it's got pointy ends on it, and electrons kind of like to pile up in pointy ends. Makes it a lot easier for things to jump out. So I'm thinking we might get some plasma with the fork. Here's my fork. Set the spoon down. I wonder if I should stick something else in there. Yeah. Oh yeah, here's the some pieces of that capacitor I blew up in there a while ago. These also work good as a blaster chamber, but let's see if we can get some plasma with our fork. No plasma. It's almost like it's not as bad as we always thought it was. But don't take my word for that. Okay, so now I'm going to try and do this right and make a little thing of some aluminum foil and with some pointy ends on it, although all of the ends on this are pretty pointy. And I'll stick that in the jelly jar, and I think we'll get some plasma then. Okay. Well, let's see what we get. So now I'm starting to think that maybe I'm just not doing this for long enough. Okay, this time I'll give it, a little more than a minute, and we'll see what happens. So there's a minute 40 on it. Oh, I saw a plasma there. So why did we only get that one? There's something happening. Okay. Okay, we got some plasma going on, finally. And it only took 40 seconds. So now I think I'm going to try putting the fork in there for a minute, because it took about 40 seconds for that one to get some plasma going. Let's see if I just put the fork in there on its own, what'll happen. Yeah. That was pretty boring. Maybe I will try just the foil in there and see if I can get kind of close to the edge it was arcing to. We'll get another plasma, and then I'll try some grapes. And this time I'm going to stick it on the spinning thing. 1 minute. How about that? Yeah, that's cool. Okay, now we've started a fire. That's just burning plastic, and that's no fun. Maybe I should just close it. There. Okay. But it was fun. Woo! That stinks. Okay, well, I think I'm going to try one more thing. I'm going to see if I can rig it so it'll run with the door open. See if I can get this broken LED bulb to light up. Nope. Maybe if I tried a different kind of bulb. But it's getting dark out, so I'm going to call it a night. Thanks for getting high voltage. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed.